Good morning students. With the decimals chapter we have completed exercise 8.5 and last two questions were remaining. We have just discussed it how to solve it. So that problems I am giving in the group, sending in the group. Many students have solved and showed to me also. So those who have not understood or could not get what you have to do it, I will be sending in the group. And today I will be starting with exercise 8.6, which is simple, that deals with the subtraction of decimal numbers. Now this also we have learned it. 8.6, subtract rupees 8.25 from 20.75. So whatever figure is after from, that we have to write it minus 18.25. Yes, very simple. So this is 0, 5, 10, 8, 2, 1, 0. So you are getting as rupees 2.50. Similarly, 202.54 from 250 meter. So 250 you have to write as 250.00 minus 202.54. Just subtract this. This is 10, 6, 10, 4. This is 9, 7, 4, 0. So just check it is right. Yes, this is 247.46 meter. Right? Similarly, 5 rupees 5.36 from 8 rupees 8.40. Simple. After from, write the number minus 5.36. So 10, 4, 3, 0. So this is rupees 3.04 and this is the answer. Now D1, 2.051 kilometer from 5.26 kilometer. So from ki, after from whatever is given, write it minus 2.051, subtract it 10, 5, 1, this is 3. So here it is 3.155 kilometer. Here it is, yes, rupees. Now here E1, 0.314 kg from 2.107. So 2.10 minus 0.314, 390. So it is 7. So it is 1.793 kg. Right? Very simple. So similarly is question 2. 9.76756 minus 6.8. So just write it like this. Convert into like decimals where you require it. 28, nothing is there. Write it as 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3. So here it will be a 6. 6 minus 0 6, then here 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is 3.46, nothing. Known unit is there, you will write as it is. So this is 3.476. Now 21.05 minus 15.27. So 5 minus 7, it is not possible. This is 15 minus 7, 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is 0, 1. 10 minus 5 is 5, 0. So answer is 5.78. Similarly, 8.50 minus 6.79. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 4. 4 minus 7 is not possible. This is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1. So here it is 14 minus 7 I have written as 7. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here borrow 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So it is simple subtraction. You don't have to do anything. So only wherever it is point you have to place it, right? So DV is very simple, that I am giving as homework. Now rest 4 problems, 5 problems are word problems. We will see it now. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65 rupees. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So here a book cost was rupees 35.65. He gave only 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much he will get? What you will do? This is 50 minus 35.65. So you have to write cost of book is equal to rupees 35.65. Yes. And money given to shopkeeper, that is rupees 50. So money he got, money got from shopkeeper is equal to 50 minus 35.65, right? This is all rupees. So we will do the subtraction. 50 you can write 50.00 minus 35.65. So when you subtract it, what you will get? 10 minus 5 is 5, 9, 6, 9, 4. So this is 4 and 1. So it is very simple. Money got from the shopkeeper is rupees 14.35. So final statement you have to write. Money got from shopkeeper is rupees 14.35. Now question 5. Rani had rupees 18.450. He bought one ice cream. How much money does she have now? तो उसमें से how much money Rani had? Money with Rani कितना है? With Rani. So that is money with Rani is rupees 18.50. And what is the cost of money? Given for ice cream. It is how much? 11.75. Money given for ice cream. So that is rupees 11.75. So money left is equal to 18.50 minus 11.75. Now subtract 10 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 7 नहीं होता है. 7, 6. This is 0. So money she has is rupees 6.79. So you have to write the final statement. Money left with Rani is rupees 6.75. Now question 6. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long length of cloth. This is long length of cloth. What she is making from this is curtain. She cuts 4 meter 5 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much is left with her? कितना cloth था उसके पास? Money with length of cloth is 20 meter 5 centimeter. From this you have to deduct 4 meter 5 centimeter. अगर minus करेंगे उतना उसके पास बच गया. But one is meter, another is centimeter. So what you will do, which one is bigger? Meter is bigger. So centimeter you have to convert into meter, right? So here you have to write length of cloth with Tina, that is equal to 220 meter 5 centimeter. Now 5 centimeter you have to convert into meter. How you will do? 5 by 100. So that is 0.05 meter. So that is 20.05 meter. Right? Now length of cloth used for curtain. Used for curtain. How much it is? 4 meter 50 centimeter. So you will convert again meter to centimeter. So length of cloth used for curtain, that is 4 meter 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter is 50 by 100, that is 0.50 meter. So you have to add with 4, that is 4 plus 0.50 is 4.50 meter. Now cloth left is 20.05 minus 4.50. So cloth left, that is equal to 20.05 minus 4.50. So just minus it, what you will get? 5 minus 0 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is 5 and this is 1. So you will get 15.55 meter. So cloth left with her is 15.55 meter. Now you will see rest of the two questions 6 and 7. Namita travels 20 km 5 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 km 20 meter by bus, rest by auto. How much distance she travel by auto? So total distance from the total distance is 20 किलोमीटर 5 मीटर. तो इतना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करती है, उसमें से कुछ डिस्टेंस वो कर रही है बस से और कुछ डिस्टेंस वो कर रही है ऑटो से. ये पूरा टोटल डिस्टेंस है. कुछ कर रही है वो बस से और जो कुछ कर रही है ऑटो से. नाउ टोटल डिस्टेंस उसको कवर करना है 20 किलोमीटर 5 मीटर. तो उसने कितना कवर किया बस से? वो हो गया 10 किलोमीटर 200 मीटर. तो ऑटो से कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होगा? हाउ यू विल फाइंड टोटल डिस्टेंस माइनस डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय बस. So everything is kilometer meter. Convert meter into kilometer. Generally meter, higher to the higher unit it should be converted. So meter and kilometer, kilometer is highest of higher order. So here 5 meter is 5 by 1000 kilometer. If you convert in point before 3 decimals, so this will be 0.005 kilometer. So this will be 20 plus 0.005. This is 20.005 kilometer. Now distance traveled by bus. Distance traveled by bus कितना है? 10 किलोमीटर 200 मीटर. तो 200 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 200 by 1000 kilometer. So this is 0.2 kilometer and this is 10.2 kilometer. Now distance traveled by auto is equal to 20.005 minus 10.2. So you will just subtract it. 20.005 minus 10.2, 5089. So this is 5010 9.805 kilometers. So distance traveled by auto is 9.805 kilometer. Yes, this is the answer. Now Akash, question 7. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this 3 kg 50 gram is onion, 2 kg 75 is tomato, rest is potato. So how you will do it? Total vegetables में से कुछ ओनियन है, कुछ टोमेटो है, कुछ पोटैटो है. टोटल वेट हमको मालूम है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? टोमेटो का वेट और ओनियन का वेट प्लस करेंगे और टोटल में से माइनस करेंगे. राइट? एंड हियर whatever is gram you will convert into kg. So I will first write total weight of vegetables, that is equal to 10 kg. Now weight of onion, so that is 3 kg 500 gram. So gram I will convert into kg, divide by 1000. So that is 500 by 1000 is before 3 digit 0.500 kg, that is 3 plus 0.500 is 3.500 kg. Now you know what is weight of tomatoes. So weight of tomatoes, so that is 2 kg 75 gram. This is gram. So again gram we will convert into kg. So is 0.075. This is 2 plus 0.075 is 2.05 kg. अभी टोटल आपको मालूम है, ओनियन का मालूम है और टोमेटो को मालूम है. हम क्या करेंगे? ओनियन और टोमेटो को पहले ऐड करेंगे. सो वेट ऑफ ओनियन एंड टोमेटो, that is equal to 3.500 plus 2.075. So that is 5.575 आ गया. अब मुझे निकालना है वेट ऑफ पोटैटोस. सो वेट ऑफ पोटैटोस I will minus from total. This is 10.00 minus 5.575. Right? So 10, 9, 2, 9, 4, 9, 4. So this is, yes, so this is 4.425 kg. So you have to write the final statement. The weight of potatoes is 4.425 kg. So right, so this complete your decimal chapter. It was just based on subtraction of decimals. Thank you.